I need a mask.
Could I have an extra mask?
What?
Baby.
Alright, grab as many banks as you can.
Excuse me?
Just grab as many.
Are you buying?
Grab it. Whoa. Slow down.
Buying.
Wait, what you
One in
get?
my pocket, one in this pocket.
What are you, stealing them?
No. Told me to fit as many as possible.
Yeah, I just wanted
Look at
4.
that.
Wait, how many do you have?
4
1, 2.
total now.
Okay.
You guys ready for tonight? Are you guys ready for tonight? I don't think you are.
I don't think they know what you're doing.
I don't think they are ready for tonight.
So what are you doing?
Food eating contest. Listen, I'm nice and skinny right now. Okay.
I can see your nips. Go ahead.
Nice and skinny right now, but that's all gonna change in 1 hour.
All right, let's get to it. Why does Mickey D's look like they closed?
Oh my God, are they closed?
They're definitely not closed.
No.
It's McDonald's. They're open
I
like
don't know what you're doing.
37/8.
Excuse me, pardon me.
Yeah, they're just sitting there.
Oh my
on
God,
their
he looks like
phone.
he's
So
12.
productive.
Hello. 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 Hi. Are they closed?
They're
Hello?
definitely gonna be sick of you if you keep on talking like that.
Hello.
Hello.
Should I talk deeper?
No, wait.
Hello, how can I help you?
Hi. How's your day going?
Good, how was yours?
Awesome. So,
How can I help you?
okay, wait, 3, 6, 9, 12. Can I get 12 McChickens?
Oh my gosh.
12 McChickens, okay?
Yeah.
Wait,
And then, what? Do you want something?
Yeah, I try not eating here, but like I'm hungry. Let me get a fish, fillet of fish.
Can I get a fillet fish?
A fillet of fish, okay?
Ew, what is a fillet
Just
of
a
fish?
sandwich or the meal?
It's a sandwich. I've literally, ew,
Don't sit.
gross.
Don't sleep on it, guys. Don't sleep on it.
That's everything?
Yeah.
Alright, your total's gonna be $16.21 to the first window.
Hi.
Louis V. Joint. Yo, you watch YouTube, bro?
Yes. Wait, you're a YouTuber?
Yeah.
You should look
I'm
up.
a rapper. I'm a singer.
Can
What do you- wait, you sing?
Sing something for me right now. I want to hear it.
Let's hear it.
You can take your mask off. I'm ready for this. Go for it.
He is at work. You were putting
I don't care.
You were putting his job at risk.
They call me Skinny B.
Skinny B?
Uh-huh.
My name's Blondie.
Oh shoot. What you know about me? So swagged out, yeah, I'm fresh and I'm clean. You looking like anything. What you say you got, I ain't never seen you bring. Meanwhile, there's me, yeah, I'm flyer than a plane and I'm flyer than the pilot. When they see I'm stunting, best believe that they ain't lying. No, y'all not fronting, they mess with me and start crying. I can make a hit song without even trying, while all your hype's dying.
That was so good.
I dig it, bro.
Y'all from around here?
Yeah.
We're these crazy people that ride bikes.
Yeah, we ride bikes. That's what we do.
Act like rich people.
Nah, we ain't rich people.
We're definitely not
You got
rich.
Louis V wallet.
Nah, she bougie, bro. That's it. That's
I'm not
fake,
that
bro.
rich.
She got that from Green
What's your
Dragon, bro.
Instagram that I can look up?
Blondie Moto Vlogs. You
I
got
got
it.
you.
All right.
see ya, bro.
Have a good day.
Deuces.
He was actually pretty good. He said we were bougie.
You're bougie.
I'm not
I ain't bougie.
First off, what is this bougie?
You're
a wallet.
Wait. You said you got it from Green Dragon.
First off, can we talk about this?
fake.
Can we talk about this?
What?
Okay, yeah, I got a $250 wallet, but I don't even own a car.
Priorities, right? Priorities. She got the game up. Right now, everybody inside mad at you because you just asked for 12 McChickens. It's not late,
I'm
but like.
sorry. What? I didn't do anything. It's cold.
Give me another one right now. Wait, let me do it. Let me do it. I did it! I don't know how she works. As seen on TV. Watch.
Okay, you have one more bag coming, okay?
Awesome.
Yeah, we stacked them. Wait. I can't wait till we get back.
I'm ready. I'm ready to get that. Whoop, whoop.
Boy.
Let me get a taste, because it actually sounds really gross.
Hey, in and out or fillet of fish? Get in there. Get in there.
Ew.
Hi, welcome to Dairy Queen. We'll be with you in just a moment.
Okie dokie. Babe, I really want to do something. I've been staring like the whole time. I've been so distracted.
What are you doing? I'm scared. What is she doing? Oh! She just busted her! Oh! Yeah! Oh my gosh! Yo! Oh my gosh! The car behind us probably saw! Why do I have this?
Icicle. Excuse me. me. This is for the bonus round. Gracias. I love it.
They told me how to drag me, I just never did it.
They taught me how, I just never did it.
What's up, guys? All right, we're doing a food eating contest today, and I have Sam with me. Say hi. Hi. To the camera. Olive. Hello. And Sarah.
Hello.
All right, so there's gonna be 3 rounds. First round, we have McChickens. Second round, we got freaking mac and cheese. Third round, we have cakes. For a bonus round, we're doing freaking milkshakes from Dairy Queen.
All right, how is this
Sponsored
set up?
by me.
Thanks, Becca.
Wait, I thought
And on top of that, whoever wins will get $1,000 cash. Time to get fat. This is the before.
really.
Before.
Our before is her before. We all look like that. Exactly.
No need to. I have a question. Do we have straws for these? Yes, I have
Yes, we do.
Okay, cool.
Why is
Okay,
there
yes.
plastic in the mac and cheese?
Because
he put it on like
How mac and cheese does.
No. There is not plastic in mac and cheese.
how mac and cheese does.
It's the wrap that's put on top of it.
Why'd you put it on?
This
when
is
it was,
melted
like boiling
plastic.
hot?
Wait, why is only one of them like that?
Because Jeff said y'all didn't want diabetes and I wanted it because I love spring.
He never asked me.
Jeff, they wanted diabetes.
So Becca's getting
more icing
diabetes
on
and
that
everyone
one
else
than
is
that
still
one.
getting
No,
diabetes. We'll have a trash can right here.
Yeah.
Because if someone needs to puke,
Let's probably
Go
get
for
it
it.
now.
Are you ready? Are
you guys ready?
Ready?
How
Are you ready?
Yay!
Serious, the hair is going up.
Oh shit.
Oh, I wish I had the confidence.
Becca's
to do
gonna
that.
win. There's no doubt.
I know.
I have no doubt. Look how red she is.
at this timer,
Oh, God.
we're just starting. Cut!
I already need water.
I'm already.
It's really dry as out.
No, they're really dry.
I need to be more like the WAP.
Yeah.
What McChicken? Oh my god. Oh.
3 minutes and 18 seconds left. Christ, Becca, oh my God, breathe a little bit.
Attacking him. This piece of chicken on the corner.
Yeah.
Eat it.
No, I don't want it.
You guys are doing great.
Hey, you skipped a corner.
I know. I'm not.
Teamwork.
Teamwork, you're against each
That's
other.
probably making it easier.
Last place gets 0 points.
Minute and 30.
Let's go! That sounds crazy.
Wait, it's the final countdown!
15 seconds.
Two!
10, 9,
8, 7, 6,
5,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put him down. Oh. Everybody put him down? You could. Wow. Wow, Becca. Wow.
Spit the out. That don't count. Spit
Wait,
it out.
Olive's doing the same thing.
Spit it out, you cheaters.
Wait. That was a big. Not really gonna say it. Can I drink water? Can I drink water?
You've been drinking. You've been able to drink water the whole time.
I know, but I didn't.
I
because
swallowed it
couldn't.
first. I swallowed it first.
Her eyes are red.
You're literally crying.
She's literally spitting it out.
It's like piled up, and I feel like there's no more room for it to go down my throat.
Yeah. Hey, they're still chewing. I didn't know that was allowed.
It's not.
Oh my
Cheaters.
gosh.
Half the sandwich, I put that shit
Okay,
on my mouth.
I feel sick.
The trash can's right here.
Let's go.
Oh my.
No, are you serious?
It's stuck in my throat. I finished.
I'm chilling. I'm chilling.
I just didn't want to swallow.
Let's
it.
go.
We're just gonna pretend.
Even though I like literally lost.
Oh my god, it hurts. It
Fine.
feels like it's stabbing me.
Are you choking?
Yeah.
Oh my god. All right, first round is
I
done.
have no idea. But it was
All right.
This one by
Jeff, I think we are the judges.
Okay, I'm
So
sweating
take your
bad.
view.
So I'm not counting that from Becca because Becca had it in her mouth chewing.
We have an answer.
First place.
First place. Olive takes first.
Becca's got second, even though she cheated. Sam's got third, and then Sarah is fourth.
After eating 2 McChickens.
Wait, hold on.
Wait.
Hold on. She's expecting in about 7 months.
Nobody told me my Gucci necklaces were broken.
Rich girl probs. I need water!
I really wish that maybe I didn't have bangs.
This is the most movement I've had.
The fuck are these?
I don't know. What time do you usually go to bed? Too late. Like around 4.
Can I curse on this?
I'll bleep it out. Yeah.
Okay.
Time I'm like, stupid F word.
Oh my god, remember that? Oh,
wow,
yeah.
It's a smoke machine.
I forewarned her. I said, Maya, should I not plug?
Are you guys ready?
Yes!
3, 2, 1, go.
That's all I hear right now.
Ew, this is so gross. Stop it.
Sarah's going ham. It looks like Sarah was holding off in the first round, making a comeback in round 2.
You don't even really have to chew this. It just goes down. I give up.
She's vacuuming them joints in. You just took a big bite. She's not even chewing.
Oh my god, don't
She's
chew.
not even chewing. Oh wait, Sam's coming. Yeah. Listen, look at the strategy here. They both held out in the first round. They're making a comeback in round 2. Wait, come on, y'all gotta fight for third.
Y'all got 2 minutes and 10 seconds.
Does third place get points?
Yes. Third place gets points.
Y'all got
Oh god.
a minute and 52 seconds.
All right. This is where I zoom in on you two.
I almost threw
And
up.
it gets personal. Wait, what?
Let's go.
No cap. It was in my mouth.
Between who?
You get expelled if you throw up.
No.
Olive strained in my ear for a second. It kind of made me want to almost projectile vomit, but I figured it out.
Do you want the trash can?
Dude, I would have bit you, but he made me laugh.
I know, Sarah. No, when I realized that we were like at the same place, I literally started like I wasn't even chewing. I was just like it was a liquid. That makes me laugh. I was watching this documentary and
I don't even like
people that like compete and eat food.
I'm waiting for my cake. I'm going face deep in it. Alright, this is the
Way
end
more
of
down.
round 2.
Yeah.
I told you 4 minutes was too long. Anything that
3,
is drinkable, me
2,
and Sarah.
1.
Yes.
Yeah, we.
Yes!
Okay, I win for round 2!
Let's go!
Sam got first. Sarah,
Do you
close
see this
second.
right
Very
now?
close second.
Very close second. Olive,
It's a combination
Third
of all
with-
foods. It's fine.
Oh my
Almost
god,
Becca.
Jeff. I'm pregnant.
Look at me.
I don't want to participate in that.
Wait.
Appreciate our food, baby.
Oh my gosh, I'm trying to tell you points.
Appreciate our food, babies.
I'm pregnant with twins.
I'm pregnant with triplets.
I'm not participating in that.
Oh god. Wait.
All right. So after round
Ow,
2,
it kicked my leg.
Sam and Olive are tied for first with 4 points. Sarah has 3 points. Becca has 2 points.
You guys want another couple minutes?
Now let's go.
Holy. Sarah, shut up. I ate 3 McChickens.
Wait.
Wait. Let's do it. I'm thinking what you're thinking. I'm thinking. Come on. Listen.
At the same time.
Forks.
No forks, all mouth, no hands.
Oh.
No!
Yep.
Let's do it.
Oh, I need to stop cursing. Oh my god.
Ew, that is ew. I'm really glad we're all wearing white. This is the perfect time for that.
I don't need this right now.
I don't want this.
Alright, let's just start. Okay.
You guys want to wipe it off or are you going to leave it?
How much do I have on my face?
Sleep it.
Oh, you just a little bit. You're
I
alright.
love Uzi Vert.
Oh my god, it does.
Do I really look like little Uzi Vert?
Pretty much.
Oh my god, you don't even want to see the makeup that just came
Ew.
off my face.
Oh no, my necklaces. They're gonna be in the cake. I don't.
Just put up your shirt then.
Gucci necklaces.
3, 2, 1, go. Go, eat it. Oh, start eating.
It didn't even get
You
on
look like a
you.
crackhead. Oh my god!
Leave my cake alone.
I guess I can count some of that. You better eat that still.
Start going.
Ew, I literally just ate ice cream.
Oh
Why are you rolling it up like Play-Doh?
Holy shit.
Oh no! Oh no!
I think it's still going.
I almost made it the whole time. That's so good. Ew, I was sitting on cake.
Is there anything on my face?
I've been dying.
No, you look great. You're fine.
I can feel it on my eyelid.
I mean, hey, you just used your hand. Disqualified. Just use your hands. Ate a crumb.
I have sprinkles in my nose. I'm gonna vomit. I'm gonna vomit all over the place. I'm in heaven.
Did you really put your face?
Where is it? Which side of my face?
Are you kidding me?
No, like it's wet. Like,
Just
There's sprinkles in here.
Not my face! Not my face!
Oh, it's over.
That's the timer. Let's go.
in my nostril. Right
Yeah,
now.
it's on my nose too. Can I please go see
Well,
what
the camera didn't miss it, so what happened? Oh boy. You look like a certified crackhead right
Whole
now.
fucking cake in her hand. No.
Look at the devastation.
It's happened.
It's totally over. We're done.
They're often very good. Sarah, let me see you. You look great.
Thank you. I
Great.
appreciate that.
I feel like I won the cake challenge.
No, Al took a bunch of your off.
No, but I ate a lot of it.
To be fair, she was eating when no one else was.
It was Becca, Sarah, and then Sam.
I think I win because Becca's got my cake in her hand.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
I told you.
You just got knocked out by cake!
We're done.
I agree.
We're done. I don't feel safe.
It just got in my eye. It's in my eye.
I got caked.
You got cake.
I got cake face.
That's sick. Stole my face? Where? Here's the wet one.
It looks like somebody let their dog out.
one?
This is the aftermath of what Olive did.
Round
That was the first time
That's
I
what
fell.
happens when you fell?
The first time I fell, that's what happened.
So, after round 3, we got Sarah in first place with 6, Becca and Sam tied for second with 5, and Olive in third with 4 points.
So everyone's at 5.
Everyone but Olive is at 5, and then
And Olive's at what?
4.
So this is why we
Oh,
have
so you gotta do the bonus round
we all
now.
have to do the bonus round. That's why we got milkshake.
We gotta finish this.
No, let's chug this milkshake. I'm ready.
Sam's ready! She wants that money!
I can't wait to microwave my McChicken to eat them after this.
You have issues.
These 3 are all tied right now, and they have a cold, freshly out the fridge milkshake that all of them need to down.
Wait.
Olive, are you out?
You took yours off and you
I'm not a quitter.
How did you? What?
Lick it off the table. Lick it off the table.
Asshole.
Wait a minute. She was licking it, and you 3 look like savages. You guys look like guys just like literally gauzing over her. I'm like on her, and I look over, and all 3 of you guys are locked.
I was thinking that in my head, like, damn, that tongue.
Wait, I'm about to throw up.
Wait, we have.
Wait, you forgot to throw up, or you need to throw up?
Go, where's the
No,
trash
I'm good.
can?
I'm good.
3,
minutes.
3, 2, 1.
Go!
Ah!
Olive, why are you staring at Becca like that? Sam's going ham. Sam wants it. Becca's following up.
Ow! I can't feel my eyeballs.
Thanks, Olive. I love the enthusiasm. You clearly want to win. It's coming down to you two.
You guys are so not keeping this down.
Oh my god, Sam.
Oh my god, Sam just
Sam with the W! Let's go!
$1,000.
You're gonna do do it?
I'm gonna make an ugly face if I throw up.
It's
All right,
okay.
We'll have to blur it out for you two.
Yeah, we can blow it out.
No, like, I'm literally gonna throw up.
She's gonna do it.
Sam! Pull Regina back! Regina!
Who's Regina? Ah!
No, it's not even throw up. It's literally like solid milkshake coming back out.
Oh wait, yeah. So this is the after.
Let's get the after. Look at that junker. Woo! Look at little Cam Jr. in there. Look at Cam Jr.
Whoa! Okay, I'm sucking it back in.
Oh my gosh, she goes, I'm just gonna shove this straw in my throat. Take a shit.
Oh my god,
Was that it? Was that it?
Give me my leftover McChicken! Shit, no, I think I kinda just wanna throw up.
That's in the
Instead.
trash can.
Becca said it's
Diarrhea.
Wait, I need my jacket. I'm gonna go puke outside.
She's gonna go puke outside. Awesome.
I'll bring my phone light.
Oh my god. Oh, that's what it is. I'm throwing up mac and cheese. That's what's going on.
Oh, that's what's coming up.
Get me out of here! Please open the door. Ew, stop!
Babe, I want cuddles.
You want
Oh God!
Yeah, I don't.
Sarah's just the only one chilling. She's like, I'm fine.
Yeah,
Sarah.
I could be worse.
Olive?
Stop it.
Did you yak?
Yeah, a lot.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Alright guys, thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more. Comment what your favorite part was.
Do it right here.
Maybe you want to see him throwing up at the end. Who knows? If you made it this far. I hope you did.
This is how an
If
outro's
you
done!
didn't make it this far, well, that really sucks for you because you just missed out on all the action. Right, guys?
I'm choking on vomit.
Okay, exactly. Oh no, we're not done. We're not done.
You guys saw how much I puked out there? I just puked like 4 times that
Oh,
much.
we're going.
Wait, let's
We're
go
going.
see. You see the mac and cheese? You can see the mac and cheese!
Concludes our video for today. Look at all of it.
It smells like
All right, that's it. Cut.